Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Carpet Inn Lima. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a bar. Located in Lima, Ohio, this motel is only a 5-minute drive to the Christian Convention Center. The motel offers free Wi-Fi and on-site parking and laundry facilities. Rooms at the Lima Red Carpet Inn are equipped with cable TV and movie channels. A seating area is also provided in every room. Lima Stadium and the Allen County Fairgrounds are within a 10-minute drive of the Red Carpet Inn Lima. The Neil Armstrong Air and Space Museum is a 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.